Broccoli is sitting in front of her mirror. She is styling her big green curls. She fluffs and sprays and curls, but she can't seem to cheer herself up today. "What's wrong, Miss Broccoli? Your hair is beautiful," says Miss Eggplant as Miss Broccoli is looking into a shiny spoon. "But it doesn't matter how lovely I look. I will never make children like me," Miss Broccoli says.
"What do you mean?"
asks Mr. Onion.
"You go well with some fried rice."
"And pasta too," adds Miss Carrot.
"You even go well with pizza,"
says Mr. Potato with a wink.
"Kids love you."
"You're right, my friends. Kids love me," Miss Broccoli says happily. Miss Broccoli thanks her friends for cheering her up. Well, that's what friends are for.
Figure out how to deal with their common enemy, the cat. Some said this and some said that. Many ideas were discussed, but the mice could not find a solution. At last, a young mouse spoke. "I have a plan. All we need to do is put a bell around the cat's neck. The bell will ring whenever the cat moves, and we will be able to run away before she comes." All the mice were surprised upon hearing the plan of the young mouse and started celebrating. Then an old mouse rose and said, "The plan sounds very good, but tell me one thing. Who will bell the cat?" The mice looked at one another in fear. Nobody had an answer. Moral of the story: it is easy to propose impossible remedies.